how to check the serial number on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide I'll show you the easiest way of how you can check or find out the serial number for any Samsung Galaxy smartphone. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to find out the serial number, you just need to go and open up the settings app from your phone, and from the settings homepage, you just need to scroll down to the very bottom and then go and tap on About Phone. Now, once you're here inside the About Phone, you'll get to see the serial number is available. So this is actually my phone serial number, so you'll get to see your phone serial number are available right here. Now, you can go ahead and press and hold the serial number, and you can copy the serial number from here as well. And this is how you can check or find out the serial number on any Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.